how to find muted stories settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find muted stories settings on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down until you find this one, posts, and then click here who can see your stories, and then click stories you have muted, and then here you can find muted stories settings, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.